Today we are going to be unboxing their Kemimoto license plate frame holder for UTVs, side-by-sides, and ATVs. And we're going to unbox it. So let's see what it comes with. It comes very nicely packaged in this bubble wrap. It looks like it has a very nice LED light. It's made out of, it's pretty strong material, and it comes with the hardware to install it. So I'm going to go over some features with you about this. It's made of high strength aluminum, so it's not easy to bend or deform in any way. It comes with this bright LED light so it can be easily seen in the dark. Very fashionable. This license plate holder fits most side-by-sides, UTVs, and ATVs. Check the link in the description box below to see if it fits your model. Alright, so just trying to show you this up close. Here's the LED light. It does have two wires that we will show you how to install when we do the installation video. So, pretty tough. Very nice license plate holder. Alright, this has been the unboxing of the Kemimoto license plate bracket holder for UTVs, ATVs, and side-by-sides. If you're interested in this particular model, I'm going to link it in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching.